The year is 2025. Iran, a country long under the radar of global powers, has quietly emerged as a significant player in drone warfare. With tensions continuing to rise in the Middle East, Tehran's advancements in drone technology have made headlines across the world. Iran's journey into drone warfare began in the early 2000s when the country faced increasing international sanctions and isolation. Faced with these challenges, Iran turned to innovation, investing heavily in indigenous drone technology. By reverse engineering captured drones from enemy forces and focusing on self-reliance, the Islamic Republic started to develop a fleet of drones that could be used for reconnaissance, surveillance, and eventually combat. Fast forward to 2025, and Iran has taken its drone program to a whole new level. Among its most notable models is the Shahed 136, a loitering munition that has been used with increasing frequency in the Middle East. Capable of carrying explosive payloads, these drones can hover for extended periods and strike high-value targets with precision. Another key player is the Mohijer 6, a surveillance and reconnaissance drone that can conduct operations in contested environments. Its advanced camera systems make it an invaluable asset for intelligence gathering, while its ability to carry light munitions gives it an edge in tactical engagements. And then, there's the Arash 2, a drone designed for long-range strikes, often compared to Israel's Harpy drone. It can carry out precision strikes over vast distances, making it a formidable tool in both offensive and defensive operations. What makes Iran's drone program particularly remarkable is its ability to produce these cutting-edge systems domestically. Under international sanctions, Iran was forced to develop its own manufacturing infrastructure for drones. Today, Iran is not only self-sufficient, but has also expanded its production capacity, enabling it to produce large quantities of drones quickly. Reports suggest that Iran now operates several drone factories that churn out drones at an industrial scale. These factories are producing everything from smaller, tactical drones to large, high-powered strike platforms. Iran's drones have already played a key role in multiple conflicts across the Middle East. From Yemen to Syria, the Islamic Republic has used drones to target adversaries with devastating efficiency. In Yemen, Iran-backed Houthi rebels have deployed Iranian-made drones to strike Saudi Arabian targets, including oil facilities and military infrastructure. In Syria, Iranian drones have been used to support allied forces, providing intelligence, surveillance, and precision strikes against rebel positions. Iran has also used drones to target U.S. military bases in Iraq, further demonstrating the strategic importance of these systems. And it's not just about precision strikes. Iran has also increasingly relied on its drones for reconnaissance and surveillance, giving its forces a tactical advantage in identifying enemy movements and planning future operations. The rise of Iran's drone capabilities has significant geopolitical implications. On one hand, Tehran sees its drone program as a way to counter the technological superiority of its adversaries, especially the United States and Israel. Drones offer a cost-effective solution for attacking high-value targets without the need for manned aircraft or large ground forces. In 2025, Iran's drone program stands as a testament to the country's resilience, innovation, and ambition. As drone warfare becomes increasingly prevalent, the world will be watching closely, wondering what the future holds for the skies above the Middle East, and what this means for global security. One thing is clear: the age of drones is here to stay,